Hello everybody, we are at Raitt Street in Santa Ana, and here we see the tracks for the OC streetcar coming in the near future, because so far almost everything looks done except like a few things. They still have to like install the gates, and the traffic signals are currently down because construction reasons. And as you can see over there, even the railroad signals. But here we see this side where there's a station in Raitt Street. Yeah, you can see right here, it already looks pretty cool even though it's a small station. And here we see some more vehicles sitting there, and it'll eventually work again when it's needed. And so far they're still building the place up, so it should take a while, and they still have to install the wires so the OC streetcar can run. And here it's a double track, and we can see the street run that's gonna begin there. And I'm gonna rail fence here in the future when it opens up. And I'm excited for this place to open up as well. And I've been to another location in the Santa Ana station where the OC streetcar ends there, and somewhere over there it's gonna end as well. And this place so far looks pretty good, but still needs a little more construction because there's some things that are still not completed yet, and it's gonna take time. And here we see a signal that is for the OC streetcar. And yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Thank you for watching.